Hi, Sirfredo here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for those who are new here, please don't forget to give it a like and of course subscribe and share it to your friends. Yeah, come on. So for today, we are going to have another tutorial and it will be paano natin malalaman ang mga nag-i-stalk sa ating Facebook. Yeah. Gusto nyo yun? Alright, so paano nga ba natin malalaman ang nag-visit or nag-stalk sa ating profile sa Facebook? So, yeah, let's go straight to the video. Ping! Bong! Tong, tong. Alright, so I have recorded already my screen here as what you may see. So this one, I have used my phone to record. So, punta lang tayo sa ating browser, tapos type natin, yan by the way. Before we proceed, dapat kiklik natin dun sa may gilid dun, then click natin yung desktop site, alright. Tapos, pupunta tayo sa web.facebook.com. Okay, so wala pa tayo dyan sa web. So, type lang natin ang and web.facebook.com. All right, so let's repeat. Ayan, web.facebook.com. All right, guys. So ayan, nandito na tayo sa ating Facebook account. Then, click lang natin dun sa link. Tapos, i-edit natin. Lalagyan natin dun sa may dulo ng view dash source. Ayan. Lalagyan lang natin ng view dash nga ba yun? Not sure. Yeah, dash source. Then, colon. Alright, so I know that colon. Ayan, so kapag nagawa na natin yon, enter lang natin. Then we will wait for 35 years. We will wait for 35 years bago na lumabas yung dapat nating makita, guys. Ayan. So medyo mahina yung internet ko dito. That's why it's like that. So yeah, maghintay lang tayo in 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. There you go. So once we click that, nalagyan na natin ang view dash source tapos yung link ng ating Facebook account. Then ito yung lalabas. Masyado siyang madami kasi mga characters. So skip na natin to, guys, dahil pag inisa-isa natin to, abutin tayo ng 365 years. Ayan. So, skip na natin. Masyado siyang madami, guys. Alright. So, may hahanapin lang tayo. Scroll lang natin ang scroll. Sana matyaga kayong mag-scroll. Pag ginawa nyo to. Eto na. Joke. Wala pa. Wala pa, guys. Malapit na, guys. Ito na. Ayan. So, as what we can see here, ito, masyadong madami mga numbers. Ayan. So, ito yung gagamitin natin to trace. Ibig sabihin nito, yan yung mga Facebook account o yung mga tao na nag-visit sa ating profile. So, copy lang tayo dyan ng kahit isa. Ayan. So, copy ka dyan. Kapag nakita mo itong parang mga numbers na to, so madali naman siyang mapapansin. Medyo sana, matyaga ka nga lang mag-scroll. Ayan. So, copy tayo ng isa, guys. Ayan. Copy tayo ng isa. Tapos, punta ulit tayo doon sa Facebook link. Ayan. Punta ulit tayo doon sa facebook.com. Tapos, didelete natin yung, ayan, didelete natin. Tapos, ilalagay ngayon natin yung mga number na ating kinapi. Yan. Alright. And, Three, two, one, tada! So, sabi dito, this content isn't available right now. So, when this happens, it usually because the owner only shared it with a small group of people. Meaning to say, his or her account is private. That's why we cannot, see that. So, I will try to what do you call it, to check on the other numbers, and I will show you if we can see at least one na nag-stock sa Facebook natin. So lalagay ko na lang siya dito, insert ko na lang siya. Alright, so kahit picture, so para makita natin. So shout out sa mga stalker dyan. So ayun guys, so I hope you learned something for today. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up. And of course, click subscribe. Thank you so much. Till our next video. Bye bye.